Hi developers, in this video we are going to see the languages and tools of web development. So if you think of any website or web application, it contains two things. Just think of a website and it contains two things, okay, like front end and back end. Let's see what do you mean by this front end. So you just see this is the facebook.com. I had opened this website facebook.com and this web application is now so this layout is now loaded on my screen, right? So this whatever you can see, okay, whatever you can see in your browser, this whole thing is a part of front end. Yes, front end, which is front end of your screen, right? Understanding now? So here it has text box option, here it has again text box option for password, here it is login button, forgot password button, and there it create new account button, right? So whatever you are seeing on this page, this whole is a front end. So this whole layout, okay, it's said to be as front end part of this web application or any website. Understanding? Fine. This was about the front end. Now what do you mean by back end? So back end means whatever processing, so behind the scenes whatever it is happening, like just suppose ki you are trying to log in, so how you are logging into your profile, right? By giving some email ID and password, yes, username and password. So this username and password is getting validated at behind the scenes, like you are not seeing it, but actually it is happening on the server of Facebook. Or suppose you are trying to upload any video, so your video is gonna upload on your YouTube channel, like I'm just uploading like how. So this upload is getting done through the YouTube server, right? So this is all about behind the scenes ki what is happening, right? So whatever you are seeing on the front screen, this is all about front end, and whatever you are not seeing it and it is happening behind the scenes, it is all about back end. Okay, so jobs in the web development domain majorly falls into three categories, like front end development, second one is back end development, and third one is full stack development. So front end development means you are trying to develop the layout, you are trying to display the data which is coming from the back end. In front end you have to build a strong and attractive layout for your website or for your web application, right? And in back end means you have to develop some APIs, you have to develop some logical part of your website or web application, right? So this goes all behind the scenes. Fine. Now the full stack development. Full stack development covers both front end development, back end development, and database a little bit of also. So in this course, my goal is to make you a full stack developer. So first of all, we are going to learn the front end, then back end, and if you know the front end, back end, and database also, then you are like now a full stack developer. So our front end development course will cover this much of things. Like first of all, we are going to learn HTML and CSS. Then we are going to learn JavaScript. Then we will learn React, and then we will also learn Git and GitHub for version controlling. Yes, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.